He's not stopping.
He don't stop? He's always moving?
Yeah.
Egg. Itong mga itlog dito palilimliman daw yan. Para may libreng ulam. Oh, ayan. Magpagas muna tayo, guys.
Let's go
Oh,
get it.
183.8 na. Dati 2.
See what TV? They're gonna.
2.
They're gonna.
Sa kabila ka?
Ano na nakara 180 po? Ay, 180.
Magpagas tayo.
How much?
Ano na ngayon? Oh, 183.8.
Look, there's a TV now. There's a monitor na. Cellphone mo na dito ko sa ano.
Why Papa turn off the swab? Why turn off the swab?
Kasi we're going to gas.
What is candy? Oh, what? Why they have a TV? Why they have a TV, Mama?
Para ma-display nila yung mga pagkain.
What are you doing in the back?
Binibidyo ko si Papa.
Why can the video him? Why can the video?
We're gonna vlog. Pumalikot. Ayan, nagpagas tayo, no?
Yeah.
Gas muna tayo.
Guy, we're going fishing. Peanut butter folder, 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 peanut butter candy, peanut butter candy, peanut butter candy.
Ayan, mag-fishing tayo ng mackerel.
Yes.
Yay! Ang bahay natin dito.
We love that house.
That's the garage.
I love that house.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Solar ang house nila. Ang ganda. Naka-panel solar sa roof pa.
Whoa! That's
Ay,
big!
na to, no?
Big!
We're here at the dagat.
We're here.
Baggage, no tayo. Nabenta na to, mahal to eh. Sold na oh. Ang laking bahay oh.
Wow! They have a boat!
300 plus yan eh.
Let's get some fish.
Baka taga ibang lugar.
Ma! What are you waiting for?
Oh, may nag-fishing na.
There's some people.
Ay, wala man.
There's people.
Wala eh.
There's none.
Look, there's cars.
Wow, we're here.
We're
Spaggy.
here.
Spaggy ano?
Magsuso tayo kaya na. So next time na lang. Mga tayo ng suso.
Where's low tide?
Tara na!
Jelly.
Saan ka punta?
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut. Why no fish yet?
Tara.
Why there's no fish yet?
Siyempre, kung mangingisda pa na pa tayo eh.
But
private work.
Ay, saan ba tayo dadaan?
La 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 la.
Dito, Pang.
Huh?
Dito pala.
Oh. We need to go.
Oops, sorry.
Wait, wait.
Oh. Come on home, Mama. Dali, kaya mga ano tayo ng mackerel. Para may pang-ulam.
Knock, knock, knock. Knock, don't go in.
Sana makakuha tayo ng fish para may ulam. Diba?
That's a big boat, no?
Saan ka? Wow!
Yay! Yay!
You go, baba ka.
Witchy!
Nahulog yung isa, anak.
Sayang.
Peanut butter daddy! Peanut butter daddy!
Theo, Mama catch one?
Yes!
Come on, come here, come here. Come here.
Go, go, go!
Where? Be.
Boom!
Wait, wait.
Boom!
Wait, knock.
Boom!
I'll gonna help Mama.
Wow! Yay! It's super big, Mommy. You got a big one.
Ang bigat. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam.
Laki.
Come here. No, don't go near.
Wait, mamapakan mo.
Mahulog ka.
With a puppy.
Wow, just sit down there, knock. Sit down.
I want to and take the big fish. Take the big fish.
Yeah, dapat. Pakit na. Wala na
Papa Fish dancing.
Yeah.
What is Papa Fish?
Super cold. You're still cold. Ay, nag-boating sila na ko?
Look, there's a kayak.
Why we're going to go in there? Why they go?
Just sit down.
I think they're gonna go to the boat, Nak.
Just sit down.
There you go.
Are they going to the boat?
Mm-hmm. Ayan, nanguha din kami ng suso. Ayan, suso. Lutuin namin to, lalagyan ng gata. Tapos yung mackerel na nakuha namin kanina. Ayan. Tapos, wow, yan yung kuha namin kanina. Nagutom na po kasi kanina, kaya kumain na nagsabaw kami. Tapos yung sili galing to sa garden na tanim namin.
Hi.
Saan ka punta?
We're gonna go to the house.
Anong gagawin mo doon?
We're gonna get chicken food.
You gonna harvest the egg of the chicken?
Yes.
Okay. So ito, may mga manok. Mag-harvest kami ng egg. Yan. 6 na manok para may libreng itlog. Tingnan natin dito kung may egg. Mat! Yan, tingnan natin kung may itlog. Wow, may itlog. Ang dami. Ayan. Itong mga itlog dito, palilimliman daw yan. Ito, mga manok ng kapatid ko to eh. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Kasi yung iba pinapalimliman. That from the chicken.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 egg! Yay!
Where's the other one?
Ayan guys, sinugasan natin yung itlog. Tapos, ilagay natin sa tray. Okay? Okay. Sinugasan muna natin. Tapos, ilagay natin sa tray. Ito. Ayan. Hi! So, ayan. So, ito yung 6 na itlog for today. Tapos, may isang malaking tray pa kami na harvest. Ayan. Ang dami ng egg, oh. May libreng itlog. Ha? Saan ka? Ito yung bahay ng kapatid ko. Nagbakasyon kasi sila. Kaya nagpakain kami ng manok at nag-harvest ng mga egg. Tapos yan, may mga gulayan siya. Wow! Ang daming repolyo na ko. Tapos, ano ba to? Broccoli. Tapos talong. Potato. Tapos cucumber. Ayan. Hi! Ayan, kulungan ng manok. Hi! Parang sa Pilipinas lang kami. Kasi pag nakakalibre ng itlog. Oh, ayan oh.